Good morning, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another video testing. Shoutout po natin si Sir Christian Luis Pahilago ng Romblon. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is the Glock 19 Gen 3 Airsoft Pistol by ENC. Yan, it's a compact pistol. Gas blowback Airsoft Pistol by ENC Gen 3. With full markings po yan. Ayan sir. So may kasama na siyang libreng gas. Green gas, standard power. Up dyno. At yung silicone oil. And also the 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na BBs. Ayan. So ito yung kanyang box. Code number 1301. Andito yung manual sa loob. Ito yung unit sir, Glock 19 Gen 3. Ayan. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Meron siyang accessory rail para sa flashlight. Ayan. With full markings. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang magazine sir. This is 19 rounder capacity. Ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng oil, langis, tsaka inigpitan ko na po yung mga valves na sir. Ayan. Glock 19 Gen 3 gas blowback pistol. Baklasin ko na rin po yung slide sir para malagyan natin ng langis. Yan yung loob sir. So ito lang po yun sir, yung nilalagyan po ng oil. Yan. Okay, smooth na siya ngayon sir. Smooth na siya nung may langis na po. Nalagyan natin ng langis. Okay. Again, shout out po kay Sir Christian Luis ng Romblon. Glock 19 Gen 3 by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol. Lagyan natin ng gas. Inverted position po, upside down, 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, testing po. Testing po sir, Glock 19 Gen 3 by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol. Okay, so nag-lock na siya sir. Ibig sabihin wala na pong bala yan. Release nyo lang magazine. Tapos hatakin nyo lang to, then release. Yan. Hammer down. All goods na tayo, sir. Christian Luis. Again, this is the Glock 19 Gen 3 by ENC Airsoft Gas Blow-Up Pistol.